These buttery little cookies are packed with toasted pecans and rolled in a double dose of vanilla sugar goodness. Hi, it's Hani here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making Mexican wedding cookies. Oh, these are my favorite. I love these so much. So without further ado, let's get started. While traditionally these are made with pecans, you can also use other nuts to make it work for you. I'm going to toast pecans on medium heat until they are fragrant and they will also darken slightly. Then you can remove them from the heat, let them cool to room temperature, and process them until they are still chunky. You don't want to process them until they are smooth. You want to have some chunks in there for a nice bite. I'm also going to pulverize vanilla sugar, and then we can add it to powdered sugar. This is going to be our coating. So good. Now you can prepare this ahead of time, and you can actually use it for different cookies as well, and just store it in a Ziploc bag and have it ready when needed. Into the flour I'm adding cardamom and also a little bit of salt. You want to whisk this together, and we're gonna beat room temperature butter with powdered sugar for about 5 minutes or so until it's pale in color and super fluffy. I'm using unsalted butter. I'm adding vanilla extract, and for a full printable recipe you can visit my blog haniolas.com. I'm gonna put a link in the description box. Now I'm going to add sifted flour, and we're just going to beat this until it's moistened through, and then we can add pecans. Now the goal is not to overbeat the mixture, because you don't want to add too much air into it. If you overbeat it, there is a tendency that the cookies can spread. So make sure that you mix it just until combined. And also, if it appears too dry, you can add maybe half teaspoon of milk or something like that, because when it's dry, then what can happen, the cookies once baked and cooled, they fall apart if there is not enough moisture. I'm going to right away shape the balls using a 1-inch cookie scoop. So what you can do, actually, you can make the cookie balls and you can freeze them. I'm going to chill them afterwards for 30 to 60 minutes, but you can also freeze these and then make them when you want to make them. You maybe want to make just 5-10, so you can just do that. You can freeze them for later. So once these are chilled, we're going to bake these for about 15 to 16 minutes. I'm going to let them cool on a baking sheet for about 2 minutes, and then we can coat them in the delicious vanilla powdered sugar. If needed, you can double coat them. And then if you have some leftover, you can, before serving, you can dust them with some extra vanilla powdered sugar. It's so good. These cookies will keep for about 10 to 14 days at room temperature, or you can freeze them for up to 3 months. Oh, so good. I love these so much, guys. I can't wait to make them this year. I'm going to try to make them with different nuts to try something new. But try them with pecans first if you haven't made these before, and I'm sure you're going to love them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.